A friend of mine asked for some caramel, so we're going to make some, and we have the perfect buttery rich caramel recipe. So what we have is in our saucepan here, we're going to add 1 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 2 cups of granulated sugar. We're going to do 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. And you know it's got to be good when it's got a lot of heavy whipping cream in it. We're going to do 1 cup of evaporated milk, 1 cup of corn syrup, all right, and 2 sticks of unsalted butter. We're going to cook this on a medium to medium low heat. And it's going to come to a light boil. But we don't want it to be overly boiled. We don't want it to foam a lot. So we're just going to cook it at a very light boil. We're going to cook it until the candy thermometer reads 245 degrees. All right, this has reached our 245. We're going to add 1 1/4 teaspoons of vanilla. That one's done. We have 2 recipes going on at once, so we're really moving it here. So we got 1 1/4 teaspoons. Just going to mix that in real fast. Candy smells amazing. All right, so we're going to take a pan over here. We've taken a sheet pan. We put a little bit of butter on the bottom of it. And then on top, we've also put some parchment paper and butter all across the top. We're just going to pour that onto our sheet pan. We're not going to quite scrape that all out, just so we can eat part of it. Spread that out. We're going to let this cool at room temperature. And then right before we cut it, we're going to stick it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. That's just going to help it make it easier to cut. All right, our caramels are done. Mom started to pull that away. You can make these however thick you wanted. We went for the thinner style because we're going to stick ours in some nice long strips. You can just take your knife. This is so soft. You can sit there and see how it pulls away. We're just going to cut it probably in these nice little strips. Actually, if you want to know the truth, we'd more likely like to just take the entire strip like that by itself and eat it, but we're going to try not to do that. But anyway, this is a nice, beautiful caramel. Look at that. Perfect texture, perfect consistency and texture. And now we're going to eat this. We hope that you like this recipe. Take a moment to like and subscribe.
Let's see you get all of that in your mouth.
Not all of it. But it is really, really good.